Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
I want to play some music while I'm getting ready. My eye just changed. It just buzzed the phone. And I wanna fall through. Okay, so I'm gonna do like a life update, get ready with me, because I feel like I haven't done that in a minute. Me and this dark spot right here, I got beef with it, like real bad. Aggressive. Tell you to go slow, go faster. Oh wait, no, I'm actually supposed to do my hair first. I'm bugging. Okay. So first I'm gonna be using the KB mirror. You can get it at kbllc.shop right now. Or you can get it on TikTok. TikTok, they have a lot of sales, a lot of discounts, and they be having some flash sales. So get your KB mirror, okay? Oh, and I'm wearing the shade Icy Out by Calista Beauty as well. I just put like a little bit because I'm actually going to the gym. Pero I want to look cute. Hello, like look at me, the fuck. It's hot. I'm not gonna lie, it's hot in here. I just gotta I just gotta do my edges. I kind of want to do these edges as well because I had pushed it back, but I wanna the vibe. I like this. It's good. It makes me want to talk more because the music is music in. So yes, update, y'all. I don't know what it is, but 2025 has been good to me, like really bad. Like, oh my gosh, it's just so many unexpected blessings coming. Oh my gosh, this is such a good, hold on, let me give a shout out to the person. This is by Bagyalgia, non-copyright music. So one of the biggest updates is I'm not dating. Like, I'm literally not dating. Like, I'm just like, I don't get the point in dating. Like, if you're not my husband, just go away. I love-hate relationship with this gel, edge control, braiding. It's a braiding gel. It slicks my hair down so well, but that white cast, once it really officially dries, because right now it's perfect, but once it dries down, it gets so much white cast. You can see it on the brush. I'm in school, so it's like, I'm about to graduate and I'm so excited. Like, oh my gosh. The only thing is that I wanted to do study abroad, but I can't. It's not even my fault why I can't. Ooh, look at my edges, y'all. Clock it. It's giving wet and wavy. Raw. Bundles. Yeah. Next. I'm not putting no foundation or nothing. I'm just gonna fill in my brows. Like the update, I got so many moles right here. And it's crazy, it's only on this side of my face. So what I want to start doing is highlighting it, like making it a little darker. What else? Like, I'm trying to think what else, because I'm literally almost done. I was gonna go live on TikTok, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna just use this mirror and just like, that's the thing, this mirror is so good, like, and it could fit in all of my bags except for one of my bags. Look, that's like a mini bag literally, but every other bag this mirror can fit in. Y'all gotta get it. This is the KB mirror, baby, and it stands on its own. It stands on its own, so you don't really need, you don't need it to hold, like, you know what I'm saying, you could put it down. I feel like that wasn't really like much of a life update. Like, I didn't really, did I really say much? I don't think I did. I think I only like touched the surface, but it's really not much of that. Oh, I have 0 friends, 0. I think it said 0 friends. Nah, because people is weird. People are really weird. Like, I will block and delete you so fast. Hold on, I need my mirror. What else? I am trying to quit eating meat. That's a big life update. And I'm gonna start taking vitamins, yeah, because your girl getting a little up there. I'm getting up there in age a little bit. And I'm just like, wait, hold up. I need to take vitamins. I need to take vitamins. I need to take supplements. Like, I need to do that. Yeah, see my moles? I love it. I feel so unique. Like, this lady in the grocery store, she was like, oh my gosh, you're so beautiful. I was like, thank you. She's like, you should get into modeling. And people keep saying that, like, you should, like, model and stuff. And I'm just like, I heard stuff about the modeling industry. So I'm just like, maybe I should look into it. Because I should, but I don't know. I'm a little scared because I'm like, what if I get signed to a wrong agency? You know, but then I'm like, I don't want to think negative. What if I actually get signed to a good agency that supports me and I actually end up having a career out of it, and then I could travel, like, you know what I'm saying? That would be fire. So shaking, make it heartbreaking. I picked a good mix this time. Hold on. All right, again, y'all, I got on the shade Ice Me Out. I want to put a little bit more. I ain't gonna hurt nobody. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's between this shade and Honey Bun. That might be my favorite. I think this is a finish. Get ready with me. I wonder if I should wear glasses. Hold on. Ooh, yeah. This is what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. It's eating. Stop playing. Okay. So yes, I hope you guys like this video. See y'all in the next one. Bye.